Hey, do you know your liver is one of the hardest working organs in your body? It's performing over 500 critical functions every single day. That's right, 500. From detoxifying harmful substances to regulating your energy levels, your liver is constantly working to keep you healthy. But here's the catch. Your liver might be crying out for help, and you may not even realize it. Modern lifestyles, full of processed foods, toxins, and stress, can overload this vital organ. Don't worry though. In this video, I'm going to share simple, science-backed steps that can help cleanse and revitalize your liver. Want to feel lighter, more energetic, and healthier in 2025? Stick with me, and let's unlock the secrets to a happier liver and a healthier you. Your liver is like the body's own powerhouse and detox machine, working 24/7 to keep you healthy. It's responsible for over 500 vital functions every single day. Let me break down the three most important ones. First, detoxification. Your liver acts like a filter, cleaning your blood by removing harmful toxins, chemicals, and waste products. From alcohol to pollutants, the liver works hard to neutralize and eliminate these substances. Second, nutrient metabolism. After you eat, your liver processes and converts nutrients like carbs, proteins, and fats into energy or essential compounds your body needs. It also stores vitamins like A, D, and B12 for later use. And third, hormonal balance. Your liver helps regulate hormones by breaking down excess or old hormones, ensuring your body stays in balance. Now, think about this. In today's world, our modern lifestyles are filled with challenges. Processed foods, sugary drinks, exposure to pollution, and everyday stress all put extra strain on the liver. If we don't take care of it, this vital organ can become overburdened, leading to fatigue, poor digestion, and even chronic health issues. That's why prioritizing liver health isn't just important, it's essential for your overall well-being. In the next steps, we'll discuss simple ways to support your liver and help it perform at its best. Let's dive in. Signs your liver might need a cleanse. Fatigue and sluggishness. Does it feel like you're always low on energy, no matter how much rest you get? This could be your liver struggling to process toxins effectively, leaving your body drained and sluggish. Your liver plays a key role in energy metabolism, so when it's overburdened, you feel the impact. Digestive issues like bloating or indigestion, feeling bloated after meals, or dealing with frequent indigestion. These can be signs that your liver isn't producing enough bile, a vital digestive fluid that breaks down fats and aids nutrient absorption. Poor liver function often shows up as discomfort in your gut. Skin problems such as acne or dullness. Your skin is like a mirror of your internal health. When your liver is overloaded with toxins, it can't effectively filter them out, and they may show up as acne, rashes, or a dull complexion. A stressed liver often means stressed skin, difficulty losing weight despite efforts. Are you eating healthy, exercising, and still not seeing results? An overworked liver can't metabolize fats efficiently, making it harder for your body to burn calories. This is a common but often overlooked sign of liver stress. Brain fog and mood swings. Struggling to focus or feeling unusually irritable? These are signs your liver might not be detoxifying your blood effectively, allowing harmful substances to circulate and impact your brain. A sluggish liver can lead to poor mental clarity and emotional imbalance. Why these signs are red flags? These symptoms are often brushed off as minor issues or blamed on lifestyle. But they're your body's way of signaling that your liver needs attention. Ignoring these signs can lead to bigger health problems down the line, so it's crucial to listen to your body and take action. By recognizing these warning signs, you can take the first step toward better liver health and overall well-being. Stay tuned for simple steps to cleanse and revitalize your liver. Simple steps to cleanse your liver. Step 1. Start your day with lemon water. Begin your morning with a glass of warm lemon water. Why? Lemons are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which support your liver in flushing out toxins and boosting bile production. Bile is essential for digesting fats and absorbing nutrients. Here's a simple recipe. Take a glass of warm water. Squeeze the juice of half a fresh lemon into it. Stir and drink on an empty stomach. This small habit kickstarts your liver's detox process and sets the tone for a healthier day ahead. Step 2. Incorporate liver-friendly foods. Your diet plays a huge role in your liver's health. Focus on adding these foods to your meals. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage help boost detox enzymes in your liver. Leafy greens such as spinach and kale are loaded with chlorophyll, which cleanses the liver by absorbing toxins. Indian superfoods like amla, rich in vitamin C, and turmeric, a natural anti-inflammatory, are excellent for liver regeneration. Healthy fats from nuts, seeds, and avocados reduce fat buildup in the liver, promoting its efficiency. By making these foods a regular part of your meals, you're giving your liver the tools it needs to repair and function optimally. Step 3. Hydration is key. Water is a simple yet powerful way to cleanse your liver. Staying hydrated helps flush out toxins and ensures your liver functions smoothly. For an extra boost, try herbal teas like dandelion tea or milk thistle tea. These herbs are known to support liver detoxification and improve digestion. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily, and make hydration a non-negotiable part of your routine. Step 4. Cut down on processed foods and sugars. Processed foods and sugar overload put unnecessary stress on your liver. These foods often contain unhealthy fats and additives that can lead to fat buildup in the liver, increasing the risk of fatty liver disease. Instead, swap out sugar for natural alternatives like jaggery or honey. Choose whole, unprocessed foods to reduce the burden on your liver and promote overall health. Step 5. Prioritize physical activity. Did you know that regular exercise improves blood flow to your liver and helps it work more efficiently? Activities like yoga, brisk walking, or light cardio for just 30 minutes a day can make a huge difference. Exercise also helps reduce fat deposits in the liver, keeping it healthy and active. So, find a physical activity you enjoy and stick with it. It's one of the simplest ways to support your liver. Step 6. Limit alcohol and tobacco. Alcohol and tobacco are two of the biggest enemies of liver health. Excessive consumption of alcohol damages liver cells and leads to scarring, while smoking introduces harmful toxins that your liver has to work extra hard to filter out. If you're craving a drink, try healthier substitutes like mocktails or herbal infusions. Every small step you take toward reducing alcohol and tobacco will have a lasting impact on your liver's health. By incorporating these simple steps into your daily routine, you can support your liver in staying strong and efficient. A healthy liver means a healthier, happier you. The role of stress management in liver health. Did you know that stress doesn't just affect your mood, it also takes a toll on your liver? When you're stressed, your body produces higher levels of cortisol, the stress hormone. Over time, excessive cortisol can lead to inflammation and hinder your liver's ability to detoxify your body efficiently. Think of it this way. Your liver is like a hard-working machine, and stress is the dirt clogging its gears. If the stress isn't managed, your liver's performance slows down, impacting everything from digestion to energy levels. But the good news is, you can reverse this. Managing stress is a powerful way to support liver health. Simple practices like meditation, deep breathing, and journaling can work wonders. Meditation helps calm your mind and reduce cortisol levels. Even 5 to 10 minutes a day can make a difference. Deep breathing activates your body's relaxation response. Try inhaling deeply for 4 seconds, holding for 4 seconds, and exhaling for 6 seconds. Repeat this a few times, and you'll feel the tension melt away. Journaling lets you release your worries on paper, giving your mind and body a chance to unwind. By incorporating these stress management techniques into your routine, you're not just protecting your mental health, you're giving your liver the care it deserves to function at its best. Alright, now here's where you take charge of your health. I challenge you to pick at least 3 simple steps from this video and stick to them for the next 21 days. That's it, just 3. Start your mornings with refreshing lemon water. Load your plate with delicious liver-friendly foods. Or ditch processed sugars and see how your body responds. These are tiny changes, but trust me, they can make a big difference. And here's the fun part. Track your progress. Every day, note how you're feeling. Do you have more energy? Is your digestion improving? Is your skin glowing? You'll be amazed at the transformation in just 3 weeks. Remember, your liver works tirelessly to keep you healthy. Let's show it some love and support. Ready for the challenge? Let me know in the comments which steps you're going to try, and let's do this together. So, are you in? Your healthier, happier self is waiting. All right, let's quickly recap. Today, we've covered simple yet powerful steps to cleanse your liver and improve your overall health. From starting your day with lemon water to adding liver-friendly foods, staying hydrated, exercising, and managing stress, these small changes can make a huge difference. Your liver works hard every single day, so giving it the care it deserves isn't just an option. It's a necessity. Remember, a healthy liver is the foundation of a healthier, happier you. Imagine waking up every morning feeling energized, with clear skin, better digestion, and a sharper mind. All because you took steps to support your liver. Start today, and trust me, your body will thank you tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more practical tips on health and wellness.